Hi friends, this video shows how to record 4K video using Canon EF-EOS lens and Canon R series mirrorless camera. So here you can see this is EF-EOS 55 to 250 lens. So this lens I have connected to this Canon R50 mirrorless camera using this EF-EOS R mount adapter. See, so this is the setup. So let me record one 4K video. You can see right now this camera is in record video mode. So let me turn on this camera, then go to menu. So in menu you can see movie record size 4K. Let me go to, so here we have two 4K options, 4K standard and 4K light. So I am going to use 4K light. Select it. Okay. So next I am going to start video recording. Press this record button. See, video recording has been started. Right now this is in autofocus mode. You can see autofocus is working with this EF-EOS R mount adapter. So if you have EF-EOS lens, we can use that lens with your Canon R series camera body. So let me stop this recording. Okay, done. So let me play it. See, this is a recorded video. Okay, let me press this info button here. Press this info button. See, info shows this is 4K video to 25 frame per second MB4. Let me press this info button again. So here you can see this video has been captured using this EF 55 to 250 camera, EF-EOS lens. Okay, so that means this camera has captured video in 4K only. So we can capture, this means we can capture 4K video using this EF-EOS lens if you use this mount adapter with this R series camera body. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.